Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can make peer-to-peer deposits on Roqqu. Okay, let's go on. Okay, from the top left side of your screen there is a menu deposit. Just click on deposit. Okay, and this is where you're going to input the amount you want to deposit to your account, to your wallet account. Let's say I'm going to deposit 15 USD, which is equivalent to 7,449 naira. And note that you cannot deposit an amount less than 5,000 naira. Okay, get that. Then click on proceed with deposit. Click on proceed again. Okay, there are two methods which you can use. The first method is wallet peer-to-peer, which is the fastest. As you can see, these are the verified wallets accounts that you can use to transfer the money from. We have Raven, which is the fastest, Hometown, Wallet Africa, Bata, and Kuda. But I think only Raven, Hometown, and Wallet Africa are currently available. So I'm not using wallet methods. I'm using bank peer-to-peer. It's actually much easier for me. Right. So I forgot to tell you, you must set off your bank account for you to be able to use peer-to-peer transfer. So after setting off your bank account, once you've gone through the process, you'll be able to see your account numbers and the bank accounts that you have set off. So I'm going to use my own Access Bank account to transfer the money from. Now it's better mentioned. Alright, as you can see, there is a verified Roqqu merchant, and you can see the transaction limit is between 5,000, as I have told you earlier, between 5,000 naira to 5 million naira. So you click on deposit with D. Okay, this is very important step that you shouldn't mess up with. It's actually very crucial to understand that the transfer narration, once sent to with a wrong transfer narration, it means you have lost your phone automatically, no return. So I want you to carefully take note of your own transfer narration and write it down during the transfer from your mobile banking account. So this is my transfer narration, and I'm going to use it during the transfer. Let's write it here: 84821336, and clicking on proceed. So this is where you'll be able to see the bank details of the merchant you are sending to. It's an Access Bank account with account number 0039534442, and the account name is here, plus the transaction narration, which is very important, and you must note it down. So this is my account that I'm from, and you should note that it is already written clearly above: pay only from account below to prevent loss of funds. If by any means you pay or you make the transfer from an account that is not this one, then you are not going to get deposits to your wallet account, because you haven't used the account you have set off on your Roqqu. So you should be very careful. Okay, so now take down all the details. Take down the details as it is reflecting on your own platform. Then go back to your mobile banking account, your application, fill all the details and make the transfer of this is the amount I'm going to transfer, but I don't know of yours. So I'm going to make a transfer of 7,449 to this account above, to the account above from the account below. Okay, okay, so okay, after making transfer, come back to your Roqqu application, and as you can see, there is a pending deposit of 7,449. You have to confirm, you need to confirm that you have made transfer by clicking on the mark as paid button. Please and please don't go close to that cancel order as long as you have made the payment. After making the payment, don't never go close to the cancel order, because once you click on it, that's all, your money is gone and it is gone forever. It will never come back, no return. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Okay, once you make the payment, just click on this. Just 5 minutes, your money is going to be reflected. Let me show you my proof of payments here. Yeah, I have it. I have a proof of payment that I paid earlier, that I have made a deposit earlier, which is fair deposit of 5,215 naira that has been credited to my wallet account. Thanks for watching this. Please tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit up the notification button, and also like the video and share. Thank you guys. See you next.